Trump seeks Supreme Court ruling to reinstate ban on transgender military service. The Trump administration appeals lower court decision to block policy on transgender service members. On Thursday, the Trump administration escalated its efforts to ban transgender individuals from serving in the U.S. military by appealing to the Supreme Court. In a legal filing, Solicitor General Dean John Sauer argued that the district court's injunction, which prevented the enforcement of the military ban based on mental health considerations, undermines the authority of the executive branch and the Department of Defense. Sauer asked the Supreme Court justices to lift the injunction while the case proceeds through the judicial system. The administration's stance is that the policy, which disqualifies transgender individuals suffering from gender dysphoria or those who have undergone medical treatment, is necessary for military effectiveness. The department rationally determined that service by individuals with gender dysphoria would undermine military effectiveness and lethality, similar to other medical conditions such as asthma and hypertension, Sauer stated in the filing. The policy in question was originally issued by President Trump in February during his time in office. It bars transgender people from serving in the military if they experience gender dysphoria or have received medical interventions. This order was based, in part, on findings from a panel of experts convened during the Trump administration, which concluded that the inclusion of transgender individuals would compromise military readiness and effectiveness. The challenge was brought by 7 transgender individuals, some of whom are currently serving in the military, while others are seeking to enlist. They argue that the policy violates their constitutional rights, including the Equal Protection Clause, First Amendment rights, and due process protections. The injunction, issued by a lower court in Washington state, temporarily blocked the implementation of the ban while the legal dispute continues. In the filing, Sauer urged the Supreme Court to reinstate the ban and lift the lower court's ruling so that the policy could be enforced during the ongoing litigation. The High Court has requested a response from the challengers by May 1. The case is titled United States of America v. Emily Schilling.